Independent reader for a beginner can be an exciting and challenging process. Here are some tips that may help. Start with simple books. Choose books that are appropriate for the beginner's reading level. Start with simple stories that have short sentences and easy vocabulary. Gradually increase the difficulty level as the beginner progresses. Read together. Reading together with the beginner can be an excellent way to encourage them and help them build confidence. Sit with the beginner and read the book together, taking turns to read pages or paragraphs. Encourage the use of phonics. Phonics is a method of teaching beginners to read by emphasizing the sounds that letters make. Encourage the beginner to sound out words and use phonics to help them figure out unfamiliar words. Use visual aids. Use pictures and other visual aids to help the beginner understand the story. This can help them visualize what is happening in the story and better comprehend the text. Practice regularly. Encourage the beginner to practice reading regularly. Consistent practice can help them build their reading skills and become more independent. Celebrate progress. Celebrate the beginner's progress and accomplishments. Praise them for their hard work and efforts, and let them know how proud you are of them. Remember that becoming an independent reader takes time and patience. Be supportive, encouraging, and consistent, and the beginner will eventually develop the skills they need to become an independent reader. Regenerate response. Becoming an independent reader for a beginner can be an exciting and challenging process. Here are